Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. Today we are making one of my favorite desserts. It is the chocolate avocado pudding. So what you need for this recipe is 2 ripe avocados, a half a cup of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some orange zest, a 1/4 cup of orange juice, a 1/4 cup of hot coffee, and 1/2 cup and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So let's pour the ingredients in right now. Let's just move this over here. Let me pour all the ingredients in. Coffee, pour the orange juice, the avocado, the orange zest, the 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract, and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the 1/2 cup of cacao powder. And now we put the cap on, and we turn it on. Take the cap off. We get our little cup. We get our big spoon, and we dollop it on. Little dollops on. And there we go. Now I'm gonna try it. That is amazing. I hope you like this video. Drop a comment if you like it. And I'll see you next time, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And be creative, guys. And see you in the next video. Bye.